All right, here we go. So today I'm going to be using the leaf shave razor, and I'm just going to throw some water up here on my head. What I'm going to do here is just get up a lather. Now I'm going to be doing a face shave after this, so I'm going to put a little bit of water on my face as well. I'm actually probably going to go buck wild, even though I've already washed my face and my body with a washcloth. But the more I can get, the better. Now the reason why I like the leaf shave razor so much is it's super easy to use. And I've already got 3 blades in it. And I'm just going to show you how fast this thing can shave your head. And it takes no effort. Now, yeah, if you got some double-edged razor blades at your house, of course, use those. But for people that haven't made the switch yet, or still want to make the switch to something other than, a Gillette razor, this is a great option. It's, in my opinion, the best option. Okay, I'm just going to go down and do the back now. And you can see, it just goes right through it. These 3 blades on this razor are way sharper than the ones you're getting on your Gillette, your Schick, your Bic, Dollar Shave Club, whatever. These razor blades are superior, and all they are is double-edged razor blades that we have snapped in half. Right here's a couple that I've snapped in half. So they work really well. And what I've noticed when I use a leaf shave razor, this one, I don't hardly miss anything. It's hard to miss. Because you're just going to make several strokes on your head, and you're going to get it. Get around my ears better. You can see, first pass, absolutely amazing. Okay. I like to go against the grain around my ears. And I'll get that better here on the second pass. Set that aside. Cool thing with doing a head shave, especially since you haven't taken a shower. I know a lot of people use a scuttle or a microwaved wet towel. That's cool too, that'll work. This for me is pretty freaking cool. And it's gonna help prep my beard for when I do a shave with the Titana razor for a review. So I'm really looking forward to that one. I like trying out new stuff. So going back in here for the second pass, just gonna grab some more soap here. And you're gonna see acquiring a 2-pass shave with a leaf shave razor is simple. Still feel my beard's really thick. But on the second pass, I'm not going to need a ton of shaving cream or soap on my face because this is a premium soap by Shannon Shaving Soaps. This is freaking so good. I use it a lot. So now just going back over, see it pivots on your head. makes it so simple. And it did such a good job on the first pass. Okay, now I have a trick doing the back of my head. I just rotate my head around this razor. You're gonna see how I do that. Just super easy. Then I'll just go back the other way. Just to make sure, you know, I pick up anything that I lost, and then I go back and feel. You can only do this when you're using a good quality soap. Oh yeah. Baby butt smooth there. All right, we're gonna go across the grain here. I'm gonna get around my ears. Okay, got that side. Same thing over here. Okay, around the ears. Yep, got it. And we're good. That's why I highly recommend this razor. I had a week's worth of growth. It went right through it with no problem in 2 passes. That's phenomenal. That's why I love this razor.